Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, today I'll show you 6 easy ways to fix iPhone gray screen. Method 1. Factory reset your iPhone. Factory reset can remove some settings that cause the iOS issues. But it will remove all data of your iPhone. So you need to backup date before you use this method. To do this, just go to Settings, then click General, next the Reset, and click the Erase All Content and Settings. Method 2. Restore your iPhone with iTunes. If the first method doesn't work, then you are suggested to try to restore your iPhone in iTunes. Step 1. Open the iTunes and connect iPhone to PC. Step 2. Click the iPhone icon when iPhone connect to iTunes successfully. Step 3. Click Restore iPhone in the column of Summary. Step 4. Click Restore again to make sure the process works well, and then iTunes will restore the device connected to the factory settings. Method 3. Check to see if the Grayscale mode is enabled. Sometimes it's because you accidentally turn on the Grayscale. So, just turn it off with the following simple steps. Step 1. Open the settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap General. Step 3. Click Accessibility. Step 4. Click Display Accommodations. Step 5. Click Color Filters. Step 6. Switch it off if the Grayscale mode is enabled. Method 4. Force restart your iPhone. When something is wrong on iPhone, factory restart is the most common and effective method. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down button successively, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press the power and volume down buttons at the same time, and hold them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 or the older ones, hold the power and home buttons at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Method 5. Update your iPhone to the latest version. Update the iPhone to the latest version can remove some bugs that lead to the problem of gray screen. Step 1. Open the settings and click General. Step 2. Then click the Software Update. Step 3. Click Download and Install, and follow the guide. Method 6. Fix iPhone gray screen with TunesKit iOS System Recovery Tool. Step 1. Launch TunesKit. Connect the iPhone with your computer. Launch TunesKit. Click the Start button. Step 2. Choose Mode. Click the Standard mode and then the Next button to go to the next step. Step 3. Download firmware. Check the information which belongs to your iPhone and tap the Download button. You are downloading firmware. When it ends, click the blue Repair button and just wait for 1 or 2 minutes to get a fixed iPhone. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.